Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to post Instagram story from laptop or PC. Without further ado, let's get started. So first go to instagram.com and log in to your account. Then right-click on the background and click on Inspect. Or you may just simply press F12. After that, click on the PC and mobile icon. Then here on dimensions, choose any phone model. Let's just choose iPhone here. Next, to make the post a story option appear, you have to reload your page first. Then, once you have reloaded it, just click on the plus sign on top. Then click on Story. Then just choose an image from your computer. Click Open. Then here, as you can see, you also have buttons like the ones we have on our mobile phones when posting stories. So you can edit it here. When you're done, just click on Add to your story. And now it's uploading. To go back, just click on Dimensions again. Then click on Responsive. After that, click on this PC and mobile icon again. Then click X. Then if we check it here, as you can see, we have successfully posted the story using our PC on Instagram. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.